Hello, Retro Tech Ralph here. Right, the astute of you will have noticed that there isn't a 1 terabyte hard drive in here anymore. That's because the drive was faulty. So that's why it worked, it wouldn't work, wouldn't work. So 640 gigabytes should be fine. And if I can press the on button, which is down here, and EvoX comes in, and I've just finished installing this. Oh, you stupid ass. I will take out the disk. I'll watch this not work now. Turn off and on again. Have you tried turning it off and on again? It'll be on again, it'll be nice. Welcome to Retro Tech Ralph, the Irish edition, the Northern Irish edition. Actually, it might be Southern Irish. Right, so that's coming at Microsoft. EvoX, you can just see in the corner here. One black, I'll be a proof, black Xbox now fitted with the adapter. I'm going to glue this in. So I've got this out. I'm going to glue this thing in because there's some play on this and I'm not happy at all with it. So I'm going to glue it and squash it in to hold it where it is so there's no stress on the SATA connections. And I've already lined it with a double-sided tape, which if I could take the backing off, done. But there's stress on it, so I'm going to just put a line of a bead on this. It seems like a good idea. It really does. So, to convention, let's do this. And once this is done, I will have a fully functioning, non-stalling Xbox. And I mean Xbox, not the Xbox One, the Xbox whatever. There's no games on here. There was Halo, which I have got a legal copy of, even though, to be honest, I don't really need a legal copy of, because they don't bother with these things anymore. It's a bit strange, because when you live through the times of, ooh, copyright this, copyright that, even through all your Sonic the Hedgehog sort of stuff, it doesn't, it's not really gripping. I have an idea on that. All your legal bump of copyright and stuff like that. It baffles me how nowadays in 2018 you can do this sort of thing of hacking and chipping aftermarket parts because the manufacturer just says, stuff it. I'm not bothered about it anymore. We've got the new version. And that's it. It's sad that a manufacturer can easily get its product and think, yeah, I'm not bothered. I mean, you've got stuff like the Atari project coming out, which even that, I'm sure that there's there must be a copyright rule or a law or something that says, yeah, we can't do anything with it. We can't sell you a product because it's been out since 1979 or something. So for 40 years, it's not really relevant. And some of these are games that you get on these really old consoles. This is one reason I bought the Admin, is because the playability of the games, of Pong, of banging a ball against a wall, is just so satisfying. It's looking through the games to see something special and not thinking, oh, I haven't got my next level. Oh no, I have to buy a loot box to get to the next level. That sort of gaming is absolutely flipping pathetic, that you can buy your way to the end. And why would you bother buying the game to start with when you're straight to the end? It annoys me a bit. So what I'm going to do is that won't fit in there for some reason, so I'm going to put a bit of hot glue in there. I did something like this the other day on an ambulance. There was a cupboard door that fell off and the crews were just ragging it off, so I plugged up the hole and re-screwed, and it worked perfectly. And the vehicle has not been in. If you wondered what to do for a living, I'm an ambulance driver, but I'm not a paramedic. There's a lot of different levels of ambulance staff, and if you're out there and you're dying of a heart attack, I will not be coming for you. Simple as that. I'm not that level. But the way the organisation works, where the trust works, then yeah, I'm a low person, beyond what you'd call, but I'm an essential cog in the machine. So this is it working? Turn it off. Controller out. Keep it at the back. Oh, I just clicked in place. Oh shoot. Right. Oh, that's the way I turn the hot glue on. Right. So that at the minute is okay. There's nothing in there for this to bother with, so I'm bending it out. It's an idea at present, and I need to do that. Just hold itself in place and then let it dry. It's gripping to the hard drive, and obviously to the board the full way across. Leave it as is. I think it's a good idea. I honestly think it's a good idea. So once this is dried, I'm going to turn it back on. You can still see the ace of that sticker there. It's a shame the 1 terabyte wouldn't work on this, but sometimes things don't. So tough. And 670 gigabytes is a lot better than 8 gigabytes from the original. I mean, on that I could probably install 2 games if I'm lucky. The original Xbox. And I think what I might do is on the black one, so this is as near as, damn it, to an original. I might just stick on as many games as I can, just to make it a Xbox system, Xbox games, and then the Crystal one, which I'm now, with that being there, waiting until Sunday for the adapter to have now glued into place. Oh, that is so good. I am just an absolute effing genius. See, that's down, doesn't do anything. Underneath there, brilliant. Actually, to be honest, shall I? Yeah, why not? Stuff it, son. Ow, you flipper. Shoot. You know what? If I've just balls this thing up by putting 300-degree glue on some plastic that really doesn't go up to 300 degree, I'll be very upset. Right, watch this. That's dried enough to hold it. Xbox case, Xbox, so we're going to put it right way around. In, on. Going down this corner. Something about this, it just seems like the hollow. Right, that's on. If I ball this up, that means, I don't know. Right, pressed, it's coming on. And that is the only cable for this. Booting up, EvoX, Xbox, Microsoft. The disc is out. Microsoft. and a launch pad. And the black one. More than a crystal, black one. I know that shows that, but if you'll notice on the crystal video, that will show that anyway, because it only will show that, even though there's 640 gigs worth of information on it. It will only show that for some reason. Obviously, I think the with the formatting, it will have shown, if you want to spread it out between certain drives, F, G, H, I, it will only just show you 125 gig. So if you've got a 2 terabyte, it'll only show you that, which I suppose you could use it for maybe A to G, H to M, N to P. Well, you just separate the entire lot into alphabetical order, which is great, but there's a lot of Xbox games that are on the internet, so yeah, it'd work with splitting your bloody thing. Damn you! Oh, I'm about to press the button for the cable. There you go. Split this into each one, so like you got 4, maybe 5, so you can split the alphabet into whatever, and it'd be a good idea. But no, not bothered. The whole lot will be on an A to Z. I'm sure I can scroll down. So done. We have fully working 2 Xboxes, crystal, black. There's still my third one, that is the other crystal, which I have marked up. Either I'm going to sell it or I'm just going to leave it for parts in case I need it. But I am happier than a happy thing in a happy place. So yes, right, cable's out, turn it off, unplug out. I am going to get this bar steward, and I'm going to put this one. For some reason, I have black. I have 3, 4, 5 black ones. And in the box, I've still got the 6 for the crystal one anyway. So, for some reason, they wanted to use 1 silver one on this, which is fine, but why not have 6 black on a 6 case? This one was an extra special secrety one. You notice that half of this is still stuck to it, the other half isn't. If I know I'm never going back in again, I might stick some glue on this, so this double-sided tape will be permanently on here. It'll be a pain in the arse to get in. Backwards, forwards. 1, 2, 3, and nearly destroyed the television. 4. I think that's where the silver one went. 5, 6. Hopefully get back in place. That feels really solid, that. And I've just remembered I've left the glue gun on. Yeah, it feels really solid. And jump cut. This is just a double check everything is fine. I've not gone straight through a cable. Right, in, button on. That's working fine. Let's go to the media player. Yes. I wonder if IP 0 users, because I have here the internet cable. Let's just see. IP 000. It's got my IP. Everybody has a 192.168.0. Whatever. The whatever is how many devices on the system. I mean, I've got more than enough, shall we say? It's not like you show my entire address. If you want my address, give me a shout and I'll give it to you. As long as you give me some retro stuff I can do, like a PlayStation. Can we get a PlayStation 3, a fat one would be nice. If you can send that along. I really want to have a go at another PS3. I had one. And yeah, would love to have another go on one. But it finds an IP address. If I can find stuff with it. But other than that, that is done. So when the adapter comes for the hard drive on the Crystal one, and we've already seen that the Crystal one works, and I can't see that a separate adapter for a SATA to a IDE cable will not work, even though I have got a couple over there, and the one I've got is exactly the same as what's in this one. This is finished. This is complete. Last time I said it were done, well done. This is complete. Apart from downloading a shed load of games, get them installed, this will be, as it is, sat on a shelf behind somewhere, maybe even up there actually. But it's done. And I am so proud to have this in my collection. It cost me a little bit to get it fixed up and to a standard that is brilliant. So I'm lost for words, to be honest, that this actually works, and I'm better than I think. So yeah, if you take one bit of advice from this, then I'm not as crap as what I let on. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, everybody. I mean it. Subscribers, casual viewers, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, please like, subscribe. And if you've got anything, and I mean anything, it could be absolutely obsolete, it could be broken, it could be blown up, give us a message, send me a message, send me an email, send me anything, and I'll see what I can do for it. And thanks for watching, and I will see you, hopefully not another Xbox video, and I'll see you later. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.